everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Sagittarius from 23rd till the end of August 2021. So watch this video if you're a Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so if it does not resonate, do not try to fit yourself in it. Go do something else with your life. Maybe you could just go and watch Netflix. Anyway, and if it resonates, then let me know in the comments, and I look forward to your comments, the good ones, not the bad ones, right? And if you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the name is popping on the screen. The link is in the description. All right, let's see messages for Sagittarius. Let's see your general message for week ahead. King of Cups. Okay. All right, so I see some sort of good times when it comes to your career or finance. I see that you will be undergoing a lot of tests. It's like you are trying different combinations. You're trying to basically test the waters to see what can work for you. So some of you might have been applying in different jobs to see what can work for you, or if you're trying to do maybe different business ideas to see what works for you. Even in love, I see that you were trying to see which relationship can work, or what do you want in relationship. Right now I see that you are in a testing mode and you're trying to see what works for you. However, what is coming towards you next is Three of Cups, in which I see some sort of celebration. So maybe finally you will be able to find out what works for you, and then there will be a moment of celebration, and that definitely means that you might be achieving something. All right, and I see some sort of good time. Some of you might also be reconnecting with your friends, or you might just have some sort of celebration with family or colleagues or whatsoever. So I see whatever you have been trying and testing in the present situation, it is going to be finally done, and it is going to give you a moment of celebration. All right, if you were trying to maybe give interviews in different companies, then you finally make it to one, and then there'll be a moment of celebration. If you were trying different business prospects, then you will be making one very successful, so that can be a thing. I see you basically reaching a point of celebration. Some of you also will be reconnecting with an old friend. Could be a water sign, but need not be necessarily. All right, now let's see your love life, Sagittarius. Five of Pentacles. So in the present energy, I see that you have been deserted. Like, I definitely feel somebody left you out in the cold, and things basically, all right. So what I see is that earlier things were not very good, then it became good, and now again I see things have returned to a very messy past. I see you and your partner are constantly having arguments. So it's like you have very different set of opinions, your partner has a very different set of opinions, and because of that you guys are constantly nagging and fighting. Or I see the nagging, fighting, the chapter is already over, and this person has ghosted you, and somebody is not paying attention towards you. Like, this person has left you out in the cold in the most unexpected way, and you're not able to trust that they did like that to you. Like, it's like you really loved them a lot, so it's very difficult for you to trust, but it has happened, right? Some of you also having health issues, so just be careful. I see something up with your health also. Also be very careful with your money, all right? Because there could be an issue. Like, you might just lose money because of some sort of careless spending, or you're not careless, and then there could be a scam that can happen with you. So be very careful, all right? But when it comes to love, I definitely see arguments, and I see it is all happening because of different opinion. Like, it's basically battle of thoughts. Like, you have different set of opinion, your person has different, and then you both are fighting, that kind of situation. What is coming towards you next is Ace of Wands. So the good thing is that finally from Five of Wands, where there's like so much of confusion, one person saying something, other person saying something completely opposite, from that at least I see your thought pattern is going to get clarified, and you and your partner are basically going to get on the same page. Or some of you are going to drop this nonsense, you're going to go towards a new beginning, whatever it is. So some of you will have a new beginning. We'll see if it's this person and you having a new beginning, or this is a new beginning, like you having a completely new beginning. We'll see. So give me energy of this past person that Sagittarius was dealing with. So you have, okay, so this is a past person only. This new beginning is with the past person. So I see that you and them, things were just not fine. You guys were on a different page, but finally you guys will get on the same page. All right, so I see somebody because they are going to put in the efforts and they are going to make things happen with you. I see that there will be some sort of improvement coming in. Some of you might be dealing with a fire sign or an earth sign very strongly, so it could be Aries, Leo, Sag, just like you, or could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So earlier I see some of you, this person also involved their friends or family. It's like they were fighting with you and then they were involving other people as well. But now finally they know that things cannot work like this, and if they have to resolve the issue with you, they have to work one-on-one with you. So now this person is ready to basically silence the noise that they had created by so many different opinions or so many different people, and now they're ready to work one-on-one with you. And I see because of that a new beginning is possible between both of you, and this also has a potential to go long terms. We'll see if it will go long term or not, but for now it has potential. So what is this person's next action towards my Sagittarius, please? Seven of Cups and Eight of Cups. This person is still confused. Like, who the hell are you dealing with, Sagittarius? So see here, this is their feelings for you, like they want to work things out with you, but then how are they acting towards you? Still confused. So this person is going to show to you that you are still confused, like they are still confused about you. Somebody is just trying to screw your happiness unnecessarily, you know. So this person, one day they want to work things out with you. They are basically, you know, treating you like how we call a dog. So we just put a treat in front of the dog comes running, and then we basically hide it. Or maybe we throw the ball and then the dog goes, you know, chase that, and then we again throw it. This person is doing the same thing with you. So they basically show you the treat, and then you get happy that, okay, this person is ready to work things with me, and then they leave. Then they come back, then they ghost. Then they come back, then they ghost. So this person is basically juggling you. And maybe that was King of Cups when I told you, like, this person, somebody is trying and testing. So this person is trying and testing you. This person is really trying and testing your patience. Very in and out individual. Very in and out. World card again, see? So I see that you guys will be going towards completion. Six of Cups. I see that there is this is so messed up already. This reading is messed up. It's not my fault. It's your person. Don't tell me. Don't tell me in the comments, alright? You are dating a jerk. What can I do? So again, see? The World and the Six of Cups, which again shows to me that a cycle that was started will go towards completion. With the Six of Cups, I see this person wants to have this cycle with you. Like, they just want to complete things with you in a good way. Like, they want to take this connection forward. Whatever started with an affair, they want to take it towards marriage. But then how are they acting? Like a Seven of Cups and an Eight of Cups. Confused and willing to ghost. And Two of Pentacles, juggling you. This person cannot make up their mind. This person is very immature. You're dealing with someone who's very mature. Like, they want you, but then they are confused. This person really treats you like a dog who they can throw the treat towards. I'm so sorry, but this is how it's coming in. They are very happy to play that runner and chaser dynamics with you. Why are you paying attention to this person? I'm so sorry. Like, this person is not treating you well. So what if this person wants a reconciliation with you? They cannot treat you like this. This is so freaking bad. Seven of Swords. Again, this person likes to hide things. They want a new beginning with you, but then how are they acting? Like a Seven of Swords. They don't want to tell you that they want you. What is going to be the outcome here between Sagittarius and the person? Ace of Cups. Seriously? New beginnings? Emotional talks? With somebody who's such a jerk? Is it what you want, Sagittarius? Like, please somebody explain me that how did this reading go from Five of Wands, which showed that there was a lot of conflict, then the conflict resolves with the Ace of Wands. Four of Wands shows that there is potential. Yes. How is this person feeling about you? Three of Pentacles. Like, this is what they feel about you, that they want to work it out with you. What are their next actions? Confused and ghosting. Their personality, the Fool and the Seven of Swords. So their personality, they want to take action towards you, but then they hide that about you. And what is going to be the outcome? Ace of Cups. New beginnings. Romantic new beginnings between, like, how the fuck is this reading making any sense? Let me know in the comments. Is it making any sense to you? It's not making any sense to me. Like, how is so much of like, this is like a whole series happening in one episode, you know? Like a whole freaking series playing in one episode. So much of drama. So much of drama. Like, Sagittarius, I think you can just make a series out of your love life. It has so much of drama going on, seriously. I'm done. I am done. I can't read beyond this. Like, new beginnings, romantic talks. How is this happening? How is this happening after so much of drama? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, how is Sagittarius viewing this person? How is Two of Swords? You're confused? Of course, who will not be confused? Because this person is confused about you. You will feel that they are confused. Yes. Exactly. This person is confused and you know that they are confused. Wow. Sagittarius, you know this person is an idiot. You still want to date an idiot? Your call. What is Sagittarius' next action towards this person? Five of Swords. Nothing. You feel they are a game player. You don't want to act towards this person. You're done with them. You're telling yourself every day that I don't want this person. This person plays games. You're definitely feeling a loss as well. You feeling this feeling, right? The Five of Pentacles. This person has left you out in the cold. You're feeling that loss. Yes. So what will be the outcome between Sagittarius and this person? Six of Swords. You guys will be working things again. Two of Wands again. You will be planning how to make things happen. I don't know what the fuck was this. Bye, Sagittarius. I cannot read beyond this. Bye. Enough is enough. Alright, let's see your romance angel. Calling in. You calling in this person? You're manifesting them. Great. But you're not showing it to them. Wedding. Yeah. Yeah, see? It's the same thing. Wedding. Some of you are going to end up with this idiot. You will end up with this idiot. Congratulations. You're getting married to an idiot. Yes, I see the playfulness will be restored and I see you guys will be ending up together. Like, after so much of drama. Like, please make a movie out of this. This is horrible. This is a horrible reading. This is the most horrible reading I've ever had. Like, seriously. So unpredictable. Your love life is unpredictable. Like, though I predicted it, but it was unpredictable. Let me take a Moonology card for you. This was weird. The most weird reading I've ever done. I can't believe myself for doing this. Alright, we'll see what the Moonology has to say for you. Give me a message for Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Have faith in your dreams. Yeah, I clearly see you have a lot of faith in your dreams. And believe in. Yeah, see, this is what is happening. Believe in the impossible, because this reading is impossible, but it's still asking you to believe. Yeah, so I see something so unbelievable is going to happen. This is impossible. Like, how can somebody go from deserting you to ghosting you to finally getting married to you? Like, this is impossible, right? And the Moonology is also telling you believe in the impossible. Like, what the fuck was this reading? What the fuck? Bye, Sagittarius. I can't read beyond this. Bye.